Yeah. Hello, this is Smile. Today we are going to do Oracle backup, hot backup and recovery. So from starting onwards, I am going to show you what steps you have to take backup in a Oracle machine. So let's see. First, we need to set the repository of Oracle in yum.repository file. Tc yum.respo.t duplicate http public yum dot oracle.com. From this side, Oracle will take its repository and install in our system. So here it is. So it's downloaded, save the repository of Oracle in repository file. Now we need to install Oracle RDBMS server. So yum install Oracle RDBMS server -11 g r2 reinstall. Take some time to install Oracle RDBMS server. So this is the backup part of the Oracle we are doing. It takes some time to download from web. So you can see that already I have done backup process on this machine, so already it is installed, so no need of install any package again. Already installed latest version, nothing to do. So after doing this step, we need to do create a folder for Oracle zip files which we are going to download. So already I have that files in my machine. Already I have downloaded from internet. As you can see, this machine, this is the 2 file which we have to download from the internet. So already I have downloaded. Just I will show you from where you will get these 2 zip files and what to do with that. Go to the web page and oracle.com slash tech network hyphen database hyphen enterprise hyphen edition slash downloads slash index.html. So here we are. So after coming to this page, we have to accept the license agreement. You can see thank you for accepting your license, and we need to see on which machine we are going to do Oracle installation. So I'm doing on Linux platform on Linux CentOS 6 machine. So I'm going to download these files, these two files, file 1 and file 2, 2.3 GB. So here is the files 1 and 2. Both files we have to download. Okay, accept. So after clicking this, it will ask for sign in. So if you have already an account in Oracle, so you can sign in by using that ID and password. If you don't have, sign up over here and download those two files. After downloading those two files, here are those two files I have already downloaded. Unzip these two files. It will make a database folder. In that database folder, we have run installer file. So all we need to do that, just we have to give the full permission to the run installer file. Change mode -777 run installer. So here it is, the full permission for run installer. So okay, so taken. So after that we have to go to the Oracle folder where we are going to configure the whole setup. So I have already make a different folder in home, folder name Oracle. We have to give this Oracle folder also full permission. Oracle, so here it is, full permission for this machine also. So after this, need to go, we have to log in through Oracle user to execute this command in Oracle user run installer. So first, before this, we have to do xhost plus. Xhost plus enables your Windows X server for running GUI mode on Linux machine. Okay, su Oracle. Now we are in Oracle user, so type xhost localhost, because we are going to run the GUI mode on this localhost. So we are giving xhost localhost. So after it, go to the machine path, which I think already we are in now. Home, pub, dev. Here is my run installer file. So all I need to do is just execute this file /run installer. Here we go, installing. As you can see, this Windows X server, this we call. Just uncheck this for line, just type next. I am not providing any email address, no need of email address, just click yes. Okay, install database software only. Manually we are doing this. So if we are clicking this create and configure database, it will create and configure database automatically. So we are doing by manually, so we are checking this install software only. Next, single instance database installation. Next, select as your wish any language which you want to prefer. Next, enterprise edition. Next, here is the path where I am going to install Oracle. So home Oracle, so here is the database. Next, DBA database server name DBA. Next, now it's checking for, yeah, here is some packages is showing failed, so we no need of this, just ignore all and type next. Install a global, say space required, source location, install method, everything is showing over here. Just type finish. Now it's configuring. It takes some time for a while, 5 to 6 minutes or maybe in 10 minutes. Here you can see the details, what package is installing, what is doing, loading Oracle, partitioning, loading enterprise edition, execute prerequisites, everything you can find over here. You see Oracle Net Services, Oracle Text, Oracle Net Listener, Database 11G, OLAP, Spatial. So we need to execute this root.sh file. So go to the path cd/home oracle app oracle product 11. So here the file is root.sh. Execute and enter the full path name of the local bin directory. It's local bin directory local. Type enter. The file dhome already exists in your local bin. Override it, yes. The file aura environment already exists in your local bin, yes. Go to again. Okay, installation is over. After this, just bin. Now we are going to create database for oracle ./dbca. Through this we are going to manually configure database. We have to name the database. So next, create database. Already database is just Aura DBA1's name. Okay, let's delete it. And I don't need of this database, that's why I'm deleting. If you have already any database, you can let it. So create a database. Next, general purpose of transaction processing. So global database name, just I'm giving Aura DBA dot serverworld.com. This SID is Aura DBA. Next, configure enterprise, just uncheck it. Next, and user both will use this password. So I have given a password. Next, does not satisfy Oracle recommend password compliance policy. It's no problem. Yes. Next, just give typical memory size, SGA and PGA memory size, whatever you want to give, you can give. So I am giving 40% of memory to it from my Lappy. Uncheck use automatic memory management. Next, so here is the whole control file, tablespace, data file, rollback segments, log groups is showing. Next, create database. So here it will show the whole procedure what we have done. Oracle JV, Oracle Text, Oracle XML DB, Oracle Multimedia, everything is showing over here. So when you're not doing anything, just click on OK. Here we go. Clone database creation in progress. Copying database files. After it will create and starting Oracle instance, complete database creation. Takes 5 minutes. So So database creation complete. For details, check the log files at home Oracle. You can check your log files, database information. Global database name is Oracle, OraDBA server world. The system identifier SID is OraDBA. Its parameter file path. Exit it. Okay, now we need to configure network, listener network. So for this, /netca. So it is listener configuration. Next, add listener name, whatever you want to give, you can give your listener name. So default I am giving listener. Type TCP. Use the standard port number of 1521. Another port number if you want to use, you can use by clicking over here like this. So I am using 1521. Next, would you like to configure another listener? Now here back in background you can see listener is configuring and starting. Listener started successfully. So next, local net service name configuration. And next, service name. Each Oracle database or service has a service name, and Oracle database service name is normally its global database name. Remember that we have given oradba.serverworld.com. So here also we given the oradba.serverworld.com. Next, TCP. Next, host name. Host name, you can provide your host name, whatever maybe you have 192.168.1.99. local domain. It's my domain name. You can give your host name over here. So next, do not test. So net service name is OraDBA. Next, would you like to configure the net service name? No. Next, finished. So just once we look at that, your listener is working or not. /listener/ctl stop connection fuse start permission denied. So we need to check the files. Listener Aura, as host name is localhost only. Just change it to okay. So already it's given over here. /net manager. Okay, export Oracle_home to provide your DB name. It is setting the path of Oracle home. So here my Oracle home path it is, and export Oracle_SID equal to OraDBA. Okay, export Oracle_unique name equal to OraDBA. So now let's see this name will work or not. Stop it and again start it. So it's giving error, the protocol adapter error, connect failed because target host or object does not exist. So let me check it again. /net manager, dedicated server, you have to put it. Okay, okay, closed it. Again showing this, it means we have done something wrong in netca. So again we have to look at .netca. So here it is. I just restarted my machine. Listener is fixed, so it's just a restart problem. Maybe it's not taken the configuration after restarting the machine. It has taken the configuration and started successfully. So after that we'll go to start the SQL database. So here it is ./SQL +/no-log connect sys as sysdba, enter your password which you have given while creating database. So here it is, startup. Here you can see that database mounted and database open. Here it is mounted and open. So after that we have to check our machine is in archive log, database in archive log or non-archive log mode. So here it is, archive log list. Here it is, no archive log mode is on, so we have to on archive log mode. So we are going to change it to archive mode. So first shut down immediate, shutting down the database. It is shutting down immediate, database closed and is mounted. So after that, startup mount exclusive. Okay, started. After alter database archive log, alter it in archive log. The database is altered now. After that, alter database open. Now we are going to open the database. So here it is. Now we will see the when now the archive non-archive mode is in archive mode or not. Select log underscore mode from the $database. Here it is, log mode, archive log. So after that, all we need to do that we have to go to the rman. exit from database, enter in rman. Now connect to target. Here it is connected to the target database or our DBA. DBA ID is 32676758181. So please write it down on a paper or on a notepad so that you can use it later. This DBA ID needs to be inserted in restore machine. So write it down on note this DBA ID. Okay, show all. We show the configuration attention policy, configure backup, configure default device, configure control file auto backup off, everything, control file auto backup format device. Here it is, everything is there. So we need to do that. We have to on the control file auto backup. So it is off. All we need to do that, just on it. Here it is, new hardware config parameters on successfully. So after that we need to take backup. There is a backup procedure is starting from here. Type run allocate channel D1 device type disk format, and so this is what I am giving here. This is the path of the backup file. So while we take the backup will store the backup file in temp folder. Just I am using temp folder for temporary backup disk. So you can choose another folder or you can type your folder when optionally. So I am giving over here. So after that temp, your folder name whatever it may be, just type %U. Press enter. Backup database. Here I have done the mistake. Just D I have typed instead of B I have typed D. So again I have to do that. Allocate channel D1 device type disk format m/%U backup database. So you started the backup. It's taking the full backup. Input data file number is system01 dbf sysox and .bs users. Everything is taking backup. Usually it is a control file which we are taking the backup. The whole database backup, full backup, we can say to it. So it's finished. Here you can see that static control file is p file auto backup piece handle. Here is the .bkb file. You can take it down from over here. This is the path of that file. It's showing finish control file sp file auto backup. So All we need to do that, just go to the temp folder. Yeah, here is the file which we have to send to the other machine where we are going to restore this backup. So scp-r root username of other machine 100.168.1.99. Yeah, I'm sending this also on temp over there also, no need of okay. You can send anywhere of the, you can send this file to anywhere on an other machine. So I'm just for remembering, I'm sending it to temp only, because here also in temp, there also in temp, you can find it easily. Yes, type your password. I'm sending the file, and one more file you have to send. That here is the path of the file. Here is the file. We have to send this file also. I'm sending this file to on the temp folder over there. Yeah, send it. This file also send it. So our work on this machine backup is over. So we need to revert to the other machine for restore. So I'm closing this machine.